Epic Games, they make Unreal Engine, which loads of some of the best games are made with Unreal Engine, and it is incredible. And then they also made Fortnite and released Fortnite Creative, allowing people to make their own Fortnite levels. But they have just released something that is gonna blow open the industry. The Unreal Engine Fortnite Edition client. So you might be thinking, your first thought might be like, okay, Ice, that doesn't sound like anything cool. I don't like Fortnite. You know, I don't really care for Fortnite. Which, you know, think what you like, okay? But I'm going to explain to you why this is huge. And even if you're not a fan of Fortnite, this is still going to blow your mind, okay? So the way they've made these tools is they've literally made an Unreal Engine client, yeah? But they have stripped away some of the functionality and added some functionality in. And now you can basically make any game you like. It doesn't even need to look like Fortnite. It doesn't need to sound like Fortnite. It doesn't need to play like Fortnite. But it's using basically the Fortnite pipeline in a way where you can publish and launch and run stuff in real time. So to put it simple, imagine you can make whatever game you like in Unreal and 3 seconds later publish it, and your friends can be playing it while you're making it on their phone. They could be playing it on their Xbox while you're making it, on their PlayStation, on their tablet. You can literally publish a game live through Fortnite. And now Fortnite's going to have, it already has all these games, but I can make basically any game that I want. And they've made it super simple, super easy for you guys to even adopt how this works. Imagine you can make anything you like and instantly put it out to the market, and you're thinking, hang on a second, only Epic Games is going to benefit from this. If I make the next amazing game, the next Call of Duty, the next whatever, then I'm just making them money, you know. And it's just like, why don't I just make it myself in normal Unreal Engine? No, you get paid. You actually get paid. And I don't know if you guys have remembered me saying this, because I've been banging on about this for like at least 5 years, about how we need to have some mod tools that will allow the user to get paid. I've specifically talked about all sorts of like structures, finance structures, where Call of Duty, for example, could release some tools and then have a system where users get created. I've gone into depths in it multiple times. And ladies and gentlemen, it's like they have been listening to my streams, like my prayers have been answered. Absolutely huge. So ladies and gentlemen, here we go. I'm not the big, I don't play Fortnite. I have nothing against it, but I prefer like realistic games. But you can make realistic games. You could make the next Elden Ring, the same sort of art style, the same sound, the same graphics, everything in this editor. There is nothing stopping you. In fact, there's a new set of tools. We have this thing called Fab, where it's kind of like the library system in Black Ops 3, where you can literally access crazy amounts of models, except you can access models that you don't even have. So right now I have whatever I've installed here, but this rock right here, this gemstone, say I want this gemstone in the project, I can drag and drop it, and it goes off and it downloads it and it grabs it, puts it in the project, and then spawns an instance of it where I'm placing it here. And so literally in just a few seconds, this is a very small model, I can have it in the map. This is like taking one of the most annoying things from like even Black Ops 3 mapping, where you have to find new models, right? And like sort them out in Maya, get them the right thing, set them all up in AIM, you finally get your model, and you spend 20 minutes messing about with textures, model files. Sometimes it'll work, sometimes it'll work. This takes it all out. You just grab, drag, it's done. It's done. So I can focus on what matters, which is making a fun game. So I thought, okay, let's play around with some of the spawning settings. If I want to make a Call of Duty Zombies map, I need to be spawning zombies. I need a weapon. So I created a weapon spawning entity. I created some spawners that spawn some like zombie-like creatures. I even threw together a quick little building here, just to see, like, this is made out of some meshes, just to see what we could do, you know? In fact, I I might just delete some of this, just to make this. Yeah, I was playing around with the settings here. It seems like the AI don't like going up, don't like going up to like up floors, and I don't know if I need to tweak the AI settings or tweak the angles for ramps. But for now, I'll just get rid of it. But yeah, watch this. So I can literally launch session, and it is going to create an instance. I could theoretically, I can just load this up on my phone and play this game while I'm running an editor. I could place another object and boom, it's there. It's absolutely mind-blowing. So right now, it is launching an instance. The first time you launch an instance, it does take 30 seconds. But then every time after that, when you got it running, it's literally like 5 to 10 seconds for you to push changes. And most of it's in real time. So like there is a reference in real time, but then the actual entity is shown in like 5 to 10 seconds, which is just incredible, man. I'm hyped, man. I am actually so hyped. Yeah, so I threw this together really quick, which is just a small like arena style thing. Just to test and see basically yeah, so it's loading up right now, and then we're gonna be testing it in just a second. Yeah, just to show you how cool this is, I can go through here, I can go to my static meshes, and these are all the meshes that I've got that I can play with right now. So if I select all and then go to drag and then press escape, it will just refresh the instance. But yeah, I can literally drag something in, and it will pull it in. Yeah, it's just loading up right now. Then we're good to go. But yeah, what I was gonna do is I'm gonna block out a level. I have a couple huge ideas for some games. But one of them I want to do for this stream is to remake like Cheese Cube, but into a Fortnite map. So I'm thinking like have a lava pit, and then to literally have like a floating Cheese Cube map. So we're going to do that, and we're going to create a brand new project, and you'll see the whole process. But I just wanted to get this running to show you guys what it's like. I don't know why that first instance took so long to load up, but it's loading up now. So yeah, I'll be on in any second now. But yeah, when that's happened, we're going to create a new one, and then we'll just go from there. But you can literally create brand new projects, like with templates. So look, I can go to new here. So I'm just going to cancel that for now, and we'll just load this up. Yeah, it should be any second now. But how we doing, K Gamer? What's up, man? Kashi, how we doing? Yo, Tesco, what's up, Cudge? Yo, Web Zombies, yo, Anto, yo. How are we doing, ladies and gentlemen? But yeah, it's super, super cool. A lot of people are going to be using templates. Yeah, I'm going to basically make a map that I don't think has ever... Oh, do I just need to press... Oh, I can push changes. Yeah. So that's pushing that 1-0 thing there. Do you think I'll make UEFN tutorials as I get better with it? I could start making UEFN tutorials today, because I work in the Unreal Engine for my day job, so I'm very familiar with it. Although I have more of a level design profession, I'm quite confident that I could make some helpful tutorials. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. We have we literally have our game here. And we can start the game just like this. So look, here we freaking go. Ladies and gentlemen, 3, 2, 1, go. So, I'm just going to say that I might have spawned a lot of enemies. In fact, we have 100 zombies spawning, which is a little bit more than your typical 64 max that we have, or default 32. Oh my god, I might change the size of them so we can make them a little bit smaller. But yeah, jeez, man, jeez. I put a little warning. Oh my god. We can have all sorts of... These are just the default ones. We could literally put our own zombies in here make them more zombie-like. So I was just going to check the collision here. Yeah, because I was hiding the... oh, God. Oh, God. We're already out. But yeah, so this is Fortnite graphics, but literally we can change it all. We can make it look however we like, make it look completely custom. Yeah, it is gonna be freaking insane, man. Absolutely insane. So yeah, a couple weapon spawners here. Maybe this little building over here. And yeah, pretty crazy. But we have a big open area, and as you know, zombie maps are too easy when it's big open areas. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna end the game, and we're gonna go back here, and we're gonna start working on a new project. So let's do this. New project. Let's open this up. Cancel loading. That's fine. That's probably gonna kick us out to the menu, which is fine. Yeah, I want to make a brand new level. So we're going to do this right now. Continue to load. All right, let's do that. So, brand new project. What do we want to do? Island templates is probably quite cool. I think the Caldera Island is pretty cool. We could probably use that and then scale it up. So, team selection, now we're going to leave that. Yeah, we're going to leave that. Unreal version, that's fine. What I'm going to do is I'm going to call this one... let me just hide that for a second. All right, let's call this cheese cube. VFN is what I'll call it. No, version Fortnite. No. Cheese cube FN is what I'll call it. Choose a project location. Yeah, let's just do that. Okay, let's put this back. So yeah, I've just created a new folder, new project name. Let's call it Cheesecube FN. And we're going to use that island as a template, which is cool. Do create. So we're starting with a brand new project here. And we're going to basically use these spawners to create our crazy projects. Here we go. So you already have version control as well, I believe. And you can work on this collaboratively as well. So this is like full-on collaboration. You and me, everyone here, we could work on the same level together. Imagine us all building Cheese Cube. How insane that'll be. It's going to be awesome. So cool they gave us the tools. It really is, man. And you get paid for your content. So if you make something popular, you're going to be able to get paid for it as well. Which is absolutely huge. Absolutely huge, man. So it's creating the project right now. You can't use copyright material. No. You can't use copyright material. It won't pass the verification because your content will get verified. But I'm not going to use any Call of Duty. Let's you make a video on how to set up a tool. There are some on YouTube, but I did look at them just to see what I'd be up against. Like if you know, if it's even worth me making tutorials. And I reckon it is. So I will I'll definitely look into that. So yeah, here's the start of our project. And we probably want to basically get some oh, we got no player actors, okay. So what happens if I launch session right now? Is this going to right, so I need to get some assets in here as well. And then we'll start creating our level. This could be cool. I don't think we need these things, whatever these are. The geysers. Or if we do want them, it might look cooler if they were like in the actual lava. I know we recolored them so that they were like lava instead. Oh, the stream lag did it? Oh, okay, we might get some of that, you know. Yeah, these geysers, I don't think we need these geysers. So I'm gonna grab all of these geysers. And I'll just get rid of those. Yeah, this is pretty cool though. Right, nice, 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 nice. Is that the lava volume? Okay, that's the water mesh. Right, nice, nice, nice. Okay, so we want to use that fab tool to get some meshes that we can work with here. And we want to get a pack that we can use. I've actually worked with the Infinity Blade assets before. They could make quite a cool cheese cube. I wonder if we can replace the textures on those. Some of the assets are actually locked. So this pack here is actually what I used for that first project. We've even got this one here. Cool. I'm wondering if we can modify these. Because this could be pretty cool. Nice. We've got the staircase, and that looks like it's quite a good angle as well. Okay, nice. Do you wonder what the undersides of these look like? Yeah, we could make a pretty cool thing like this. How we doing, Tiger? What's up, man? It's like a nerfed UE5. Yeah, pretty much is nerfed, but you can for the public like publication tools or the publishing tools, it's incredible. So does this already hurt me? Oh my god, it already hurts me, which is brilliant. So I don't really know how much full damage we have, so there's a whole load of stuff that I'll have to work out. But yeah, this is huge. This is huge. All right, cool. So you can see right now that we have a character in the level. Okay, we have literally have this character in the level, and what I can do is I can do add content to browser, and it's literally adding this pack to our tools, and then we can use it when it's downloaded. So give it just a minute, and then it'll be cool. Cool. Oh, well, let me get rid of these. That's not going to be there. That's not going to be there. Just wanted to make me a little bit smaller. I don't need to be that big. Alright, let's go like that. Fortnite cheese cube. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be huge. Oh, look at this, for example. If I grab a shape like this and place this in, and then scale it up, and then go over here, it's literally there. It is literally there. Like, unlike working in Black Ops 3, where you have to compile stuff, this is like literally compiles in real time. So you can test your level like in real time. Like, do you realize how epic this is? This is actually huge, man. Actually huge. So if I did like, you know, 10 by 10, and then put that like over here, for example, and this guy here, I just want to set that as like 20 by 20. So we've got the same metrics here. I might change this to actually to better metrics, so it's not like okay, cool. What am I making? We're gonna start off making. We're gonna make a cheese cube, man. We're gonna make a cheese cube unlimited. Yeah, it's gonna be sick. It's gonna be sick. Right, cool. So I'm basically thinking that we could give us a little platform like this. In fact, look, it's literally real time. So look, we can go there and we can play it and test it in real time. It's a little bit buggy there because it's because I'm holding that asset. But if I just go back here real quick, and what I'll do is I'm just thinking how we can make this like really difficult. I think I'm probably dying right now on the lava. No, we're good. Yeah, we're cool. Alright. So, literally, if I grab this guy here and this one, and then do like a rotate here, and then go up, And just line that up a little bit better so that it's... Right, there's literally needs to go there. And then we'll bring that up like this. I can actually go side frame to see where I need to line that up nicely. Yeah, so I can go down to like there. Cool. Can I make the lava rise? Yeah, I mean, you could literally do anything, man. You can literally do anything. Right, so that is, we literally, we can push the changes there, but what I want to do is, I think we've downloaded a whole load of assets, is to use the assets instead. But I was just showing you as an example how we can get going there. So we've got a whole load of assets here. Let's see what we have to work with. So if we go down here, we probably want to spawn them with the weapon. So if we go to item and take off the static mesh, thing there, we can go here where we'll have an item spawner. We can start that off right there. And the item spawner, we've got to set it up with what we want it to spawn. So I'm literally going to add a weapon here, so I can type in assault rifle, right? Or is it M4? I might need to add a certain weapon pack here. No, it is assault rifle. Here we go. Assault rifle L1, so it's level 1, I believe. Let's grab that. Nice. And we can set that up exactly how we want to set it up. Have a lot of control over it. Yo, okay, Gaming, thank you so much for your continued membership, dude. Absolutely huge, bro. Look, in real time, we can literally do this. This is huge. This is huge. All right, let me go back here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back. There it is. Yo, appreciate it, man. Thank you for 17 months. Legend, man. Absolute legend. So the reference content, I don't think you can edit the reference content, but you can literally make your own content as well. I think you can use anything from the store, which you have the rights to. But yeah, let's work with this for now. And I literally just need to copy all these, drag this out, press escape, and then we are good to go. So I might look for like a floor or something. We can drag these out just to see what we got. So we got a block here. Alright, that's a pretty basic block. Let me see, we've got a floor as well. Yeah, that floor's a little bit too simple. Although we could use this floor because everything's made to the grid like nicely. We can literally drag that out and then drag this out and like line everything up and build our own little crazy floating thing using a wooden texture. This could be really cool. Okay, nice. I think that might have different metrics actually. But yeah, let me see if we can get a better floor than this. I need to test the AI on this staircase as well. If I delete this, and with this guy, let me just go up, and I hope this is like this set has the correct metrics on it. Okay, nice. Right, let's go down here and grab a corner. We don't need to do corner. I can have a look at using this floor piece here. It's a little bit strange though that it's a different size to the stairs. But that's fine. I think what I kind of want to do is grab a pallet and basically grab a whole set of these things. Alright, so yeah, we probably want that the other way around, actually. What is the length on this asset? Let's have a look. 400. That's a very strange size for an asset. It's not using power to matrix. Yeah, 328. Yeah, this is going to be interesting. We might have to scale the stairs up or something so that they work with this. Ideally, when you're working with assets, they all share the same metrics. But that's okay. It's okay. We can work with this. It'll make it a little bit more interesting and funky, you know. Like, what I'm doing here is really bad form. What I should do is just scale up the snap to grid. Although that, yeah, is literally the size of yeah, this kit's not made to good standard. Sorry to say it, whoever made this kit, but yeah, it's true, man. I should probably look for a better set that is actually to grid, and then I don't have to mess about so much. Should we buy one of these kits to make the map? What do you reckon, guys? I could type in free, and you can see we've got a limited set here. I'm pretty sure Infinity Blade is a metric kit that's snapped to grid. Probably better stuff in the paid. Yeah, man. I'm not made of money though, so that's what I'm thinking. What have we got though? Let's have a little look. I kind of like the idea of having the medieval street pack. It's $20. We got barrels. We got brick walls, so we can make it like out of brick. And then we got what is that? A wooden floor. Let me have a look at the learn more thing. Right, medieval street pack. We could probably find this on here. Oh, so it costs more for the original pack, but let's have a look at the meshes. 90 meshes. It doesn't say anything about the showcase video. Yeah, it doesn't say anything about the metrics though. That'd be pretty cool though. Make it like that style. I don't think we need that though. I don't think we need that. Right. Let's see what we can find in the free area again. Infinity Blade. That's one of the first levels I made, was actually using this pack here. Do you know what? This kit here, I think, will give us exactly what we need. It's got a lot of type of floors and stuff. I know people are going to recognize it, but it's fine. So we're installing that right now. It's probably going to crash the editor a little bit, but hold on, ladies and gentlemen. Hold on. You can do it. Right. I think we're going to use like basically a mix of these for now. Use these pieces to like bridge the gaps for now. All right. Why is my alt key not working? I think it's because it's downloading. It's using a lot here. What I can do is I can change the scalability settings here. If you have a bad computer, you can change the scalability settings and just lower everything down. It will need to recompute the shading or shaders. But it will, after it's done that, it's going to basically perform a lot better on your device. So you can do the same in here as well. In the settings, you can go to the quality preset. You can bring this down and you can do apply. And yeah, it's not going to look as beautiful. It's not going to look as crisp, but you are going to, it's going to render a lot better. It's going to be not causing any issues. I think it's because we're literally downloading stuff right now that it's kind of dying. But when it's finished, downloading, it should be fine. All right, with this one here, I kind of want to bring that into there, maybe. With this guy to here. A little bit more. Oh, this one goes to here. Okay. You see all of this, these little lava things. So we can actually turn those off. So we can go here, go to particle sprites, and that's going to turn off the particle effects. And yeah, you can turn off a whole bunch of stuff here. You don't need it while you're doing basic design work. You don't need to have particles rendering, or you don't need all sorts of stuff. But yeah, we have access to the time of day and everything here. Like, it's absolutely incredible. Way cooler than Call of Duty's editor. We have a lot of settings and options exposed to us without the need to use external applications. So it's absolutely insane, man. And we're going to make some really cool stuff with this that I'm really excited to do. So right now you can see that in the game, you'll probably be like, hey on Ice, like, how come there's these red boxes and you can't see what's going on? It's because we need to push the changes. So what we can do, we can press push changes and do save. And that is going to basically take the changes and throw them over to the running instance. So if we go here now, they'll all like pop into place. So the red things are just references. It allows it to basically be pretty much 100% like running in real time. But yeah, K Gaming, if you want to help build this map with me right now, you can. I'll allow you to join my instance here. You're welcome to. Okay, perfect. Just from below, I don't want there to be weird gaps. But we're almost there. Like on this one, I feel like we need just a touch more orange. And then, yeah, that is good. That will be perfect. So now we can use this. We can create this as a group ent. And we probably want these stairs to come up to that point there. So I'm not going to select that when I grab all of these. We can literally create these as a group entity, which is kind of like a prefab, but a prefab that is like self-contained, so you can just control G it. And now I can grab that and I can literally go like this, and then place it exactly where I want to put it. Except in this case, I don't want to grab that little bit there, so I can go to visibility, show only selected. If I put it in unlit mode, I can still see it. I can shift G to just deselect, and then I can reselect it and then do control G again, and then basically control H to bring it back, so that we don't have that piece there. And then what I can do is I can probably line it up like that a little bit better, bring it over so that it's nice and in line and level. I can use control end to try and snap to grid so that we have stuff leveled a little bit better. And I think that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So if I delete these guys here, you know, we don't need those. And just imagine now that we can literally like copy paste this over here and then slap that over there. And then I think this guy's okay. Before we go any further, I want to just double check and make sure that the AI can path on this, because there's no point taking this any further if the AI don't path. And I just want to check that. Oh yeah, underneath I forgot to copy these bloody things, but that's cool. What I'll do is I'll literally just go like this and press Control G. So now the stairs is its own grouped object. So when I grab the stairs now, and when I move it, it will always have the faces, the planes that we set up, just like slightly fix the material. So I've just lined that up in this view here. So you can use a top-down view to line stuff up. Then you can also use the side view as well to help line stuff up, and then hide it, delete the old one, and then unhide, and we know that that is the right place here. How we doing, UK Game? What's up, man? Yeah. I mean, I work with these tools like friggin' whatever it is. I use these tools literally like 40 hours a week, so it'd be a huge problem if I didn't know what I was doing with these tools. But I don't really get involved with making materials. I do basically level design. I do a little bit of project management. Right, so the idea for this map is that you would spawn and let's say that there is a spawner down here. So let's grab down here, go to the spawner, and we want to grab a enemy spawner. So let's go to here, creature spawner. I'm going to put that here. And then what I'm going to do is, I don't like why that's snapping. Why is that snapping? Ah. What are you doing? Detection range. Okay. Other grid enabled. Yeah, that shouldn't matter where this spawns. But yeah, I guess it is doing something. What I can do though is yeah, it must be a collision thing. But I want to go to the separate entity itself. So I'm going to go to the components here. And this base mesh here, this thing here, I'm going to do literally, I'm going to do collision preset, no collision. And then also visible here. Usually you would also do like cook, and you'd uncheck the cook. But we don't seem to have access to the cook settings here, which is fine. That's fine, don't worry. You're gonna do the same with the with the static mesh with the actual purple rock as well. So I'm going to do no collision, and I'm going to change it so that it's no longer visible. So now we've gone from having weird rocks to literally having a cool, to having a creature spawner thing. Cool. And here I'm going to change this to being despawn distance enemy, despawn range, that's fine. Limit spawn creatures, no. I want to change this so that it does a brute and spawns 4. I still want it to spawn up to 10's fine. Max distance. Let's make that a nice sort of 0.75. Okay, cool. So this is the idea. We'd have zombies spawning there. We can block off certain parts of the level as well and have buttons, and we can build like a currency system here. We're building a zombies map using the Fortnite tools, basically. Howdy Diversity, what's up, man? They either do it on the base object, not the child, but then it might make the entities you spawn invisible as well. So I don't want to do that. I want to make it just those elements. I want to make invisible. I want to make the entities that spawn visible. There's an option for that. Yeah, it didn't work for me. It didn't work for me. I tried it yesterday. You can do like whatever it is here. A spawn of visibility, and you can disable there. But that doesn't actually get rid of the rock. It's still there on the screen. So maybe there is a way. Yeah, I tried that yesterday. Well, I'll show you. So let me make a new one here. Disappear only in game. Oh, that okay. Yeah, if it's like that, then that's good. Okay, let's try that out. So here we go. Visible, and then we'll set this back to the default, whatever it was. I think it's block all dynamic, but yeah, let me just drag it here. So what was it? Not base mesh, cube mesh. So cube mesh was block all dynamic, and then the base mesh was custom. Now I might as well just recreate it. Okay, so let's bring that down to there. Okay, so visible, spawn visibility off, and then change this to brute. Activation range 4, that's fine. Okay, we'll try that out. So let me just save, and then why is my player spawning over here? It could be like the default spawn location. What I want to do is change that to like here. Maybe like start it off like this corner. No, I'll do it like here. Yeah, this is Fortnite. Okay, so if I do push changes, and then we'll just run it. See what happens. This is going to be crazy, man. Okay, it still says editing. Right, I'm going to make a copy of this floor and just put it underneath for now. The reason I'm doing that is so that I can have a reference to so I can have a reference to it that is its own group. And then here I'm just going to do Control G, so I can copy that. I'll do that as well. Control G like that, and that as well. Control G, grab that as well. Control G. So actually, I've got this entire thing now as a piece. Oh, I really shouldn't have the grid off here. That was only for spawning the that was literally only for spawning the creature spawn around the place. I think that's already in the right place. No, it's not. That'll do. 1, 2, 3. So, right. Should be able to go just straight up there. I'm gonna start tweaking all the settings later, but yeah, this will be interesting. These guys, you son of a bitch, right? Is there a way to select an entity within the group? The only way I can think of doing this is doing like visibility, show any selected assets, and then ungrouping, and then moving where you want something. And then regrouping it. It's the only way I can think of moving a child actor from a group. You know what? I'm going to delete this one for now because I can't be asked to sort it out right now. Can I export terrain height maps? You can. Can you not do that? Oh yeah. I know. We started earlier. Well, we're going to we'll test it in a second. I just wanted to create a few levels there. This is going to be exciting, man. This is going to be cool. It might be a bit too easy, though, if only 4 spawning. But how we want to tweak them spawning is going to be the next step. So do we want, like, a crazy amount? Do we want to make them harder as you go up? Do we want to make, like, an initial... Like, do we want to make the first spawner, like, ridiculous so it forces the player to go up the map and sort of control them from the bottom? Do we want them spawning only at the bottom and then sort of working their way out? Or do we want them spawning at every level? Do we want them spawning maybe on different islands? So they're kind of like how on Octagonal Ascension we have accept you. Yeah, we'll do that. Here we go. Accept. Okay, cool. How do I invite you to this thing here? Invite to party? More options. Invite to party. Does this mean you'll be able to play my map as I'm building it? Yeah, that'd be cool, man. Point system, yeah. I'm gonna build a door system. I might need to code it. I'm gonna build a door system. We already have like buttons and activators, but at the moment there's no like cache system. So what I'll do is I gotta have some sort of system where you'll earn points and then you'll use those points to buy doors. And then also those points will then you'll have a button to unlock the wall buys. So like yeah, imagine the wall buys are or these things. You gotta unlock them. You can do it all with devices. Oh, wicked. Yeah, I'm brand new to this, by the way. I literally messed about with it for an hour. So, yeah, this is hype, man. The collision's a bit weird on the floor there. Alright, let's try this out. There's a coin in game, I can use the cash. Oh, sick. Oh, shh. Okay, that one spawned. Oh, God. No. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, we might need to mess with the collision a little bit. Make it a little bit better. But they are pathing up, which is good. That was one of my main concerns. Right, what happens if we stand here? Alright, I gotta mess with the the height of those. Or the collision of them, so that the enemy aren't affected. Also, maybe add some logic, so if they don't move, they respawn or something. Oh, bro. Oh, wait, that thing sends you up? What the hell? Okay. Yeah, we don't want that. Oh, that's sick. I watched a video today on how to do like animated cutscenes using mocap, which is huge. So yeah. Oh, that's cool, man. That's cool. All right, so we found out we need to move these around a little bit. Oh, really? Okay. I'm sure I can figure it out as well. So, yeah, literally, like if we have this as an invisible material here. Oh, do you know what's really weird? If you guys know how to do this, this will be huge for me because I know it's just a simple thing, but how do I make an invisible material? Because at the moment, when I go to materials and I want to make a new material, it doesn't give me access to the opacity layer. And yeah, usually you can access the opacity here. And then what I'll do is I'll put like a constant, I don't know, constant 4 or whatever. And I'll just pass in, yeah, blue into opacity or whatever and set blue to 0. Or well, yeah, alpha into opacity. No, not material artist, so I don't really know. I'm missing something here. Oh shit. Oh yeah. I'm a dumbass, man. Thank you, man. Thank you so much. I don't know how the hell I managed to screw that up. In fact, I don't even need a constant, like, I can just do a constant 1 and then, yeah, just set that like that. In fact, I don't need to do that either, do I? I can just go to opacity, set the opacity. No, I do need to do that. Okay, nice. Yeah, I don't do materials, man. That's one of my biggest failures in here. So yeah, okay, cool. Okay, so I can use this to create like basically clips. What might be quite cool is to have a separate material in editor that I have different in build. So what I could do is let's set that to 1 for now. I don't even want to set that to 1, but constant 3. Let's do that. If I do constant 4, then I can set this material. No, I don't mean to delete that. Okay, so we go like this. And then here I can set this like this, maybe. And then with the opacity, I'll leave that like that for now. Barrier device. Oh, okay. I was literally gonna use I was literally gonna like basically have my own clips and then just use those. Set them to movable and set them up to the device. But yeah, a barrier thing. I'll look it up, This is the end of IceGrenade V3 method. Nah man, no, we're gonna get the Cheesecake V6 out, don't you worry. So this is 4 zombies, but imagine if there were like 100, man. 100 of these guys chasing you, it's gonna be crazy. So this should be okay, that's not deactivated. But yeah. We'll definitely be this is gold coin. Team index. I wonder if that works now that I said it's gold coin. Might need to push changes, but yeah. Yeah, like I say, yeah, not going to be the end of Black Ops 3 mats, but I would like to have a go at making my own sort of story-based game. I'm all off, no. Oh, nice. Wait, did I drop cash? I think I dropped cash when I died. Oh, it crashed. Oh dear. Yeah, I think it was correct, but it was on the wrong team index. So we only see like 0 or 2. That might be the enemies. For the map in first person mode, yes, man. That's what we're gonna do. Gonna make first script. Yeah, I plan to work with first. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Well, I'll catch you guys on the next one. We'll either be working on the Black Ops 3 Cheese Cube V6, which yeah, it's going well, or we'll pick this up where we left off. Huge thanks to Foxy Watt for his help setting up the door and help, well, all sorts of help. Yeah, it'd be really, really cool. What I'd love to do is to be able to set this up and to basically, yeah, all of this information is, I want to make it more public so that everyone else can make their own zombie maps. Yeah, maybe release something at some point. But yeah, this was super cool. It should be a pretty fun map. Like, imagine this, but like, you know, imagine it a lot bigger. So, you know, if it's like that sort of height, that'd be super cool. But yeah, be a fun little first project, I reckon. We want to clean it up though, make it nice and bulletproof, so there's no issues. And that a lot of the systems are in place. But yeah, for a first stab at it, and an hour and a half of messing about, that's pretty cool. I like it. Yeah. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, please smash the like button, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll catch you on the next one, where we'll probably be back on the Black Ops 3, or we might be on this, I don't know. But yeah, I'll see you then. Take it easy, Cashy. Local baby, yeah, sorry about it. I'm literally shooting off now, but yeah, back on Wednesday. Take it easy, Creeper, Foxy. Thanks again, 59, yo. Joe Boost, Tesco, Diversity, Wadeski, everyone else in the chat. Appreciate it, thank you. And yeah, I'll see you guys Wednesday. Have a good one. Take care. See you later. Bye-bye.